The new E88 Pro upgraded E88s RC drone boasts impressive features, including a 4K dual-camera setup, wide-angle lens, optical flow localization, and obstacle avoidance capabilities. Firstly, the 4K dual-camera system provides high-resolution aerial footage and allows for versatile shooting angles. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or engaging in aerial photography, the E88 Pro delivers crisp, clear imagery. The wide-angle lens enhances your field of view, capturing more of the surroundings with each shot. This is ideal for panoramic views or dynamic action shots, ensuring you don't miss any detail. Optical flow localization technology enhances stability and precision during flight, enabling smoother maneuvers and more accurate positioning. This feature is especially useful for beginners or when flying in challenging environments. The obstacle avoidance system adds an extra layer of safety and peace of mind, detecting and automatically avoiding potential hazards in the drone's flight path. This reduces the risk of collisions and protects both the drone and surrounding objects. Overall, the new E88 Pro upgraded E88s RC drone impresses with its advanced features and capabilities. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a beginner looking to explore aerial photography, this drone offers an excellent balance of performance, convenience, and safety. With its 4K dual camera, wide-angle lens, optical flow localization, and obstacle avoidance, it's a versatile and reliable choice for capturing stunning aerial footage.